Are there any holiday parties on your calendar this year? Or maybe you're hosting one yourself? Well, if you plan to serve alcohol as part of your celebration, some state laws could keep you from being held responsible for what your guests do afterwards. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb talked with a Nashville attorney about what you need to know.
If you're offering alcohol to your party guests, attorneys say state law protects you from a civil lawsuit if one of your guests has too much to drink and then hurts someone else. That is, as long as you follow one important guideline. Holiday parties and alcohol can often go hand in hand. And while it's not the case in every state, in Tennessee, laws protect you from being sued if one of your party guests gets in a car crash or otherwise hurts someone after drinking too much. It's called a social host liability law.
If you're having a party at your house and you're serving alcohol, as long as you're not selling it to people, the people who are there drinking it are responsible for their own actions.
But that's the key. For you to remain protected, the alcohol can't be sold. So Nashville attorney Jim Higgins says it's important not to charge a cover for holiday parties. He says also don't ask others to help cover the cost of the alcohol.
If the person charged or asked everybody to pitch in for the alcohol, I would argue at that point that they become a vendor and they could be liable for over-serving somebody.
Higgins says the civil suit protections do not protect people from criminal charges for breaking laws.
Now, doesn't mean you can't be charged criminally in certain situations. For instance, if you serve a minor and you know that person is a minor, you can be charged criminally for that.
Bottom line, Higgins says, if you're hosting a party for the holidays, be reasonable. Be a good host, watch your guests, and have a good time. Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Jason.